Hello friends, myself Divyanshu Sharma and I am a second year student of MIT Law University, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, and in present I am working with Lexis and Company as a legal intern, and my today's topic is legal education in India by uh, legal education in India. That's it. It's my topic for today, and now let's start the topic. The law is an expression of the will of any government. It is a embodiment. It is the embodiment of the will of the people and embodiment of the social and political needs of our country, of any country. Therefore, legal research is very important to any government structure. We need good lawyers and good judges to interpret the law and provide legal aid to the citizen. Legal education refers to the education of lawyer before any start practicing in court. Historical traces of legal education in India are legal education in India originated in ancient times. Legal education is originated in ancient uh, ancient times in India, and when the king and prince received the teachings of Dharma and Nyaya, and then in the Mughal period, the concept of legal representative of the people or Vakir arose. During colonial times, the right to act as a lawyer was only granted to the British or Irish, and in the post independent in the post independence era. Legal education is a oh, one wait a second, sorry for this topic. Let's continue. During colonial times, the right to act as a lawyer was only granted to the British and Irish. In the post-independence era, legal education was traditionally delivered in the form of 3 years graduate degree. Since in 1987, the structure has changed. Law degrees in India are awarded and concerned under the Lawyers Act 1961, which is a regulation governing legal education and legal professional conduct. The traditionally awarded degrees are LLB or BL. To obtain a law degree, you need to have a bachelor's degree in any discipline of your choice. The establishment of the National Law University is an important step in the reform of legal education in India. However, due to the system of providing a law degree as additional degree after graduation, and law as a major cannot flourish as a professional course. Therefore, the Law Commission and the Bar Association called for the more professional legal education in India. The decision was made in 1985, and then the first law school was established in Bangalore. First law school is established in Bangalore, and which was named at the NLS, means National Law School of the University of India. These university aim to provide a multidisciplinary integrated approach to legal education. Before this is the first time that the legal law degree other than Bachelor of Law is obtained or BL is approved in India upon the successful completion. NLS offered a 5-year law course and earned a comprehensive degree called BLLB honors. The credit for establishment of the NLS in India goes to Professor N.R. Madhav Menon. Due to highly specialized legal education provided by NLSIU, it is commonly referred to as the Harvard of the East. Since then, other law colleges have been established, uh, all offering the all are in present time all are offering the same BLLB honors, but due to the high but it is closely followed by the National Law University established in Bhopal in 1997. It is closely followed by the Nalsar Law School established in 1988. Before Jodhpur National University offered BBA of Bachelor of Law honors in 2001. West Bengal University of Judicial Science offered Bachelor of Science, Bachelor of Law. So the admission in these universities are get by the CLET. CLET is a um, exam for getting admission in the government law college. And now we have covered the many things in our lecture, so we will end up with some points. The fact that firms such as Amarchand and Mangaldas and Luthra offer internship of campus makes it much easier for students to enter the legal profession because they no longer have to worry about establishing their own legal practice from scratch. Many law schools even offer counseling on court service exam, which is boon for a student. For law graduates, almost all Indian law schools offers a master law through entrance examination. In fact, for more law schools are also offering PhDs, and therefore the legal education scene is becoming more and more specialized as the legal prompts have evolutioned. Thank you. I hope you liked my video, and don't forget. And if you have any query related to the topic, please tell me in the comment section, so I will reply it and clear it. And don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you and have a nice day.